We made it. We got her moved. Or she made it, really. The boat got to its new location. This is where she'll be for the majority of her restoration, and possibly for a majority of her life in the future, given that this property is on a lake, and I'll show you that later. I was a little bit concerned this morning because the passenger side tire on the trailer had gone a little flat over the last, 2 weeks since I got the new tires, which is a little concerning. But I used my little air compressor, put some air in it. It was good for the trip. I'll show you the masts up close too, I wrapped them together. So wrapping up the mast turned out nicely. Just got a big old tarp, laid them diagonally on it, and rolled them up after bunging the two masts together. It was getting real dark real quick last night, and I was in a hurry to get things done, so I didn't film any of it. I put a plastic grocery bag on the end of that mast, or on that end of the mast, to try and keep more moisture out while it's sitting here. And I'll do the same on this end of it. I don't know if she'll be sitting in this exact spot for the whole restoration. We might move her somewhere else on the property. It's not too big of a property, so we'll see. And also, I don't know if we'll be able to put her on the cradle on this soft ground underneath. But we'll figure it out. Not today. We'll keep her covered up for now until we go to do that. Hopefully, in the next couple weeks, get that started. She trailered like a dream, though. Real nice. Pulling it with the Jeep. I'm gonna put another plastic grocery bag to cover up the hitch here so that the ball doesn't rust inside the hitch, and also to keep the nice new wire harness from corroding. Aside from that, I think that's all there really is to say about the boat at the moment. This would be the property that we're at. Lake Crispell in the background there. This property is also currently being restored, so all kinds of work being done here.